Alrighty guys, what's going on? Today I have a new Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Glow in the Dark Rodger Dodger. This is my early Christmas present. I opened my stocking today. So this was in there. Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Glow in the Dark Rodger Dodger. Pretty cool. It says Hot Wheels right there, and then the name, Mattel, Firestone. Mattel. Pretty nice. I love the 3D name up here. Further ado, let's go ahead and crack it open. Ooh, nice. Yeah, sorry, I haven't unboxed in a long time, guys. Here it is, guys. Ooh, okay. So, I love the color scheme. The pink tires, dark blue rims and beadlocks, and the glow-in-the-dark engine. No headlight printing, blue body. I love that artwork. That's so cool. In the glow-in-the-dark roll cage, a black chassis. Always my trucks like in a neon up here, and then no taillight printing. Pretty cool. There's a top. I like this truck. I want to get the Scalosaurus next if I find it. Alright, like, subscribe, comment, share, cast more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.